Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup S3 buckets for no-code app uploads, complete guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will guide you through backing up your S3 buckets for no-code app uploads. The first step is to log in to your AWS Management Console. Once you're logged in, navigate to the S3 service. Locate the bucket you want to back up from the list of your S3 buckets. Click on the desired bucket to open its contents. Next, select the files or folders you want to back up. If you wish to back up everything, select All Items. Now, click on the Actions button located at the top right of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Download. This action will prompt a download of the selected files to your local machine. Once the download is complete, verify that you have all the necessary files. For larger buckets, consider using the AWS CLI for efficient backup. If you choose the CLI method, first ensure you have it installed on your computer. Open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command to configure your AWS credentials. Now, use the AWS S3 sync command to back up your bucket. Specify the source bucket URL followed by the destination folder on your local drive. This command will copy all files from the S3 bucket to your local directory. After the backup completes, check the destination folder to ensure all files are present. Consider automating this process for regular backups. You can set up a scheduled task using AWS Lambda functions. Create a new Lambda function to regularly back up your S3 content. In the Lambda console, write a script that uses the AWS SDK to download files to a specified location. Schedule this Lambda function with Amazon CloudWatch events. By doing this, you ensure your S3 data is regularly backed up without manual intervention. Now, you are equipped with the knowledge to back up S3 buckets seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.